I am working out and it hard. Thank you, we already started correctly United States. We got an apartment in New York. It is located on Jordan Avenue, which the wrong street. It's smart but very cozy. It has two rooms, a student room, and the kitchen is interior, and the bathroom is spacious. In the morning, I get up at 5 o'clock a.m. My wife enlists the children. After a good breakfast, I take the children to school and back. Later, I arrive to meet commercial office where I work. At 6 o'clock in the afternoon, I finish working. At night, I arrive at the house. I have a coffee with my wife and I share it with my children. This city is very cool. On weekend, we for and want to come more. We have visited the Central Park, the Broken Bridge, the Madison Square Garden, and the Niagara Falls. This city is very big and beautiful. How beautiful you can show. Show time you can. I love you.